Hey lovelies, welcome back to the Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So today our mom, Irina Mikhailovna, is on vacation and I will spend my time with you instead. We will talk about this such a beautiful dress. Today this dress will be taken by the customer and there will be no more time to show it. 100% silk dress with silk lining. The pattern on the fabric is great. Let's start with the flower. It is made and sewn separately. It is specially made in this size to simulate a rose. This detail will be visible from afar. It gets all the attention. This treatment is luxurious and therefore a lot of time was spent on it, even more than the rest of the dress. This is a stripe with a pattern on the fabric and we placed it in the center of the back. This provides additional line graphics. Because of this, the dress does not look like a big spot. The dress will be very slim. It is very important to correctly position to cut on the fabric. This is one of the main rules. Thin strips. Due to this, the dress looks airy and light. The seam connects the assemblies on the side and on the other, and we decorate it with this detail. It looks like a separate piece of jewelry. There are side seams and cuts here. For the heat, it is very comfortable. White hem, lining persists with a thin Moscow stitch. To make such a detail, you need to work very hard. There is a bit of freedom here because the mannequin is larger than the dress size. So you need to excuse us. Now we will go to the table to consider everything in more detail. The dress just fits. There is no breast groove here. We cut the fabric in the center of the front and further expanded it. And due to this expansion, such details were obtained and such a beautiful shape was obtained, thanks to which the chest is emphasized. And despite the fact that this gathering emphasized both the waist and chest. So the dress is on the table. It looks like a work of art. I do not even know where to start. So due to the semi-adjacent silhouette, it is loose enough to fit there without locks. High slits length, lightness to this garment. Everything is done perfectly. The seam ends below the center of the chest. The wrong side is also very beautiful. Very neat and airy dress. Thin straps made of silk. There are no seams here. The dress is sewn with lining. Now let's see the seams. Internal seams on both the wrap and the lining are sewn and overlocked. Here I have 2 side seams and no more seams, and 2 long cuts. This dress proves once again that using one interesting element, combining it with quality work, you can create the perfect dress. Be different and beautiful, Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and bell buttons. We would really appreciate your support. Don't forget to follow us on our Instagram platform, Global Fashion Workshop. The link will be down below. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in our next one. Bye!